Let's go Filipino street food blend ranking. Let's see. Toknanay, number 8. Let's see. Chicken basketball, number 9. Let's see. Squid Game, number 5. Let's see. Chicken Knick-Knack, number 7. Let's see. Tarantadong Bulaklak, number 6. Let's see. Rondo Toron, number 10. Let's see. Nahihilo, number 2. Let's see. Dinamita, number 3. Let's see. Isang taong matanda ka na. Let's number 4. And the number 1 is, let's see. Laging wala, number 1. Let's see.